2022 Album Health. Army Group is bringing higher together to participate with great expectation as the tradition. We are reporting from Dubai. We'll bring you further video reports in the coming days. There are 3,590 skaters from over 60 countries participating in the Album Health 2022. Over 56,000 visitors are estimated to come this show. We are now standing at the booth C50. Next, our colleague Mohammed Omer will make a brief product introduction.
Hi everyone and welcome to Operation Arab. Today I'm going to present for you our video the set screen education user friendly with comprehensive and here is an application knob to control.
Welcome to the 47th Album Health. Army Group is bringing higher together to participate with great expectation as the tradition. We are reporting from Dubai. We'll bring you further video reports in the coming days. There are 3,590 skaters from over 60 countries participating in the Album Health 2022. Over 56,000 visitors are estimated to come this show. We are now standing at the booth C50. Next, our colleague Mohammed Omer will make a brief product introduction.
Hi everyone and welcome to Operation Arab. Today I'm going to present for you our video the set screen education user friendly with comprehensive and here is an application knob to control. We have two versions of Ventilator in case of using our Antigen. Here we have our physical Antigen and N2O for income. Here we have our first speed power. This machine has 20 kilometers to control the flow, air, oxygen, and N2O. Also, it has backup mechanism flow. Here we have the most important part of our machine, which is breathing set.
Welcome to the 47th Album Health. Army Group Hello, dear colleague. We are going to live in a minute. Welcome to the 47th Urban Health. Aeonmed Group is bringing higher together to participate this great exhibition as a tradition. We are reporting from Dubai. We'll bring you further detailed reports in the coming days. There are 3,590 exhibitors from over 60 countries participating in the Urban Health 2022. Over 56,000 visitors are estimated to come this show. We are now standing at booth D50. Next, our colleague Mohammed Omar will make a brief product introduction.
Hi everyone and welcome to our booth in Arab Health. Today I'm going to present for you our Anesthesia Machine 8800A. The size of the screen is 15-inch, user-friendly with comprehensive ventilation mode and clinical tools.
We are now standing at booth D50.
Here is a navigation knob to control the screen. We have two positions of vaporizer in case of using more than one agent. Today I'm going to present for you. Here we have our pressure gauge for air oxygen and N2O for central gas and NEOC. User-friendly with comprehensive ventilation mode and clinical tools. Here we have our auto flush. Here is a navigation knob to control the screen. With 3 drawers, we have two positions of vaporizer in case of using. This machine has electronic flow meter to control the flow of air, oxygen, and N2O. Also, it has backup mechanical flow meter. Here we have our auto flush. Here we have the most important part of our machine, which is the whole system is totally sterilized, can be sterilized, and also the system can be heated inside to avoid any condensation. To control the flow, here we have central brake to lock and unlock. Also, so thank you very much for your attention.
Our Port Plus transport ventilator.
The most important part of our
So our transport ventilator actually is the weight of the main unit is 3 kilograms,
and also
3 kg, and the weight of the whole unit with the accessories is 8 kg. So as we see, it's very light and also like easy to move from like for transport or for emergency cases. The size of the screen is 5-inch touch screen with the navigator, and the tidal volume for this machine goes from 0 to 2000. The oxygen concentration goes from 40 to 100, and it has various ventilation modes. Also, it has a flow trigger, pressure trigger. So the machine is compact and easy and very simple design. Okay, so we move to our surgical light, OL9600. So our surgical light is, as we see here, we have mobile surgical light, and also we have ceiling surgical light. So for our mobile surgical light, as we see, we have a sensor on the light that this sensor can reduce the lighting for over the doctor head, so it can actually be more convenient for the doctor inside the surgical room. And also, as we see, we have the green light here for endoscopy. So this one actually to reduce the sensitivity for the eye, and also it's like another option to give more convenient space for the doctor inside the operation room. So the color rendering for this machine is 998%, and color temperature goes from 3000 to 5700. Okay, Finally, we go to our operating table, OP850. So our operating table actually consists of 5 parts: the head plate, the back plate, kidney bridge, the seat plate, and leg plate. And as we see, the mattress is made of memory sponge, so it can reduce the sore of the bed, and also it's removable, so it's easy to clean. The main unit of our operating table is made of stainless steel, 304 stainless steel. And also the table has two controllers, main controller and also remote controller. So also it's easy to use. And also we have optional accessories and standard accessories. So it can cover all type of surgical inside the operating room. The load of this table is 350 kilogram, and also it has auto lock, auto switch off, so it will switch off within 1 minute if there is no use. So in this way we can avoid the misuse for the table. Also the table, as we see, is like it has T shape, so it can give more space for the doctor to move around the table. So I think that's all. Thank you very much.
The ventilator stand beside me is VS500i, Neonatal and Pediatric ventilator. You can see the 10.4 compactive touchscreen. 10.4 high-sensitive compactive touchscreen provides clear vision with comprehensive monitoring data. And we have completed ventilation mode. VS500i has 4 types of ventilation modes, include NCPIP, NIPPV, SNIPPV, and HFNC that fully covers various clinical needs. And you can see with the SpO2 module, VS500i has real-time monitoring, include 3 waves and SpO2 and FiO2. We adopt advanced intelligent assistant oxygen technique to automatically maintain the oxygen concentration within target range. In NCPIP ventilation mode, abdominal respiratory sensor was adopted to monitor baby's breath, prevent apnea and start apnea backup ventilation on time. In SNIPPV ventilation mode, 10 levels of trigger assure the patient-machine synchrony.
Hi, welcome to home care and IVD section. First of all, let's look at the nice looking device, CPAP and out of CPAP. It's less lightweighted, only 1.26 kilos, and has 3.5-inch colorful touchscreen. It conveniences many elderly people to use. Its detachable design makes it even more portable to use. Our BiPAP has an even larger touchscreen. It's for those who suffer from pulmonary insufficiencies like COPD patients and need respiratory support at home. The professional respiratory modes and comfortable features makes it very reliable. Meantime, we have launched new products related with sleep and chronic respiratory disease used for home. Oxygen generator, sleep apnea screen meter, smart spirometer, raised pulse oximeter, fingertip pulse oximeter, and nebulizer. Both of our raised and fingertip pulse oximeters are to measure blood pressure saturation and the pulse rate at home or anywhere. This is the smart spirometer and the sleep apnea screen meter. It has analyzed software to generate sleep reports for OSA diagnostics. This is the sleep apnea screen meter, and this is the portable nebulizer, with also the bigger one with air pressure for home. Let's look at what we have for IVD home solution. Come with me. This is our oxygen generator. We have for 1 liter, 5 and 10 liters. cheaper, quicker, and still with high accuracy. The recent hot topic of IVD product is the SARS-CoV-2 antigen test kit. It is a lateral flow immunoassay able to detect the nucleic capsid protein from SARS-CoV-2. The nasopharyngeal swab specimens from individuals who are suspected of COVID-19 within its first 7 days of symptom onset. It is suitable and affordable for epidemic large-scale screening and self-test. And meanwhile, we have the SARS-CoV-2 integrated microfluid chip analysis system, which integrates all functions into one chip. And then the OLD is 150 copies per milliliter, which is the highest sensitivity among similar products. That's all for new launched products from my side. Welcome to visit our booth at S1D50. Hope to see you on site at Arab House.
How long have you been working at Aeonmed?
I have been working for Ironmed Group since October 2013, so now it is 8 years more.
As a group of foreign employees who have been working in Aeonmed for longest time, what do you think of Aeonmed?
Ironmed is a big family. As a foreign working in Ironmed, I feel like my home. I have met many friends, many matters. I run a lot in terms of business and career development. Our products are very represented in the overseas market. We have a good market share and a good reputation.
Okay, so what's your daily work like?
For 2022, I wish Ironmed continue this way, keep growing, save life, and provide a high standard healthcare solution.
As we know, many medical enterprises have a lot of change during the COVID-19 epidemic. How about Aeonmed&Heyer?
Epidemic has some impact on our business and dealer network, but we expanded our local sales team, and many of our international colleagues has located around the world. Adopting a more local and culture close approach, the thing is, when we have a large number of local staffs, we can respond to the needs of local customers in first place and contribute to the local demands in epidemic. We are also expanding our product line for reacting fast in time. On the basis of traditional ventilators and anesthesia machine, we also have laid out two more major sections: biological dictation and healthcare section, and we could provide the fast rack solution under the pandemic. As a medical enterprise, adjust the business mode to meet our customers' demand.
好的，我们这次阿鲁巴 House 的实况转播就已经要结束了，然后我们将会在群里发布一个快剪的短视频，就是我们阿鲁巴 House 现场的一些素材重新剪辑的，然后大家可以发到自己的领英或者是 Facebook 或者自己朋友圈，然后让你们的供应商啊，或者是你们的朋友们去看一看我们非常酷的一个这个快剪。到时候你们就知道了。好的，谢谢大家，谢谢大家前来观看。